Now let us do the exercise. Here the first exercise is match the interjection with the correct sentences. So interjections are given, sentences are also given. You have to match the interjection with the proper sentence, understanding the emotion. According to the emotion, you have to match the interjection with the sentence. So first one is wow. When do you say wow? When you are pleasantly surprised. So here the suitable sentence for this expression will be, this drawing is really beautiful. You are praising, you are admiring the drawing, and you are pleasantly surprised with the beauty of the drawing. So there you will say, wow, this drawing is really beautiful. Next is oops. When you have done something wrong, unknowingly, unwillingly, by mistake. So when you did a mistake, there you will say oops. So here suitable sentence will be, oops, I didn't mean to spill the milk. So that milk is spilled by mistake. Next is oh. Oh, this kind of expression you will say when you forgot something or when you missed something. So here the suitable sentence will be, oh, I have missed the school bus. Next is ouch. This expression you will give when you got hurt, when you got pain. So here the suitable sentence will be, ouch, I have hurt my toe. So that is the expression of pain. Next is shh. When you want silence, so there you will say shh. Here the sentence suitable for this, the baby is asleep, so don't make noise. So you are asking someone not to make noise, to be silent. There you will say shh. Next is aha. Aha, this kind of expression you will give when suddenly you have found something. You have got something which was not there or which was lost. So when you have got something which is hidden or lost or forgotten or stolen, so suddenly you found that thing, then you will say aha. Okay, let us see the suitable sentence. Aha, so here is where where mother hid my video game. So now you have got the hidden video game. When you found something, then you will say aha. So here you found the video game, and that is why the expression suitable for this sentence is aha. So here is where mother hid my video game. Okay, now let us see the next exercise. Here sentences are given and you have to put the correct interjection suitable to the sentence. Fill in the blanks with suitable interjection. Let us do the first one. Grandpa is taking a nap. When someone is sleeping, you don't want any kind of noise. You want silence. So here, when you want silence, you will use the interjection shh. Actually, interjection does not have any kind of meaning, but this is just an expression to express our emotion. So here, someone want silence, so there he will say shh. So shh interjection is the correct interjection for this sentence. Next is such a pleasant day. So here you are pleasantly surprised, you are admiring something, you are praising something. So there you will say such a pleasant day. Wow, such a pleasant day. Wow, that is the expression of pleasantly surprised or admiring something or praising something. So here you are praising the day. That day is pleasant. So there you will use interjection wow. Next is I forgot to turn off the tap. You missed something, you forgot something. So there you will use the interjection oh. When suddenly you got remember that you have done something by mistake, or you have forgotten something, you have missed something. When you realize it, then you will say oh. So here he realizes that he forgot to turn off the tap. So here the suitable interjection will be oh, I forgot to turn off the tap. Next sentence is our team has scored the highest. So you are very happy. So to show the happiness, to show the joy, interjection can be used like hooray, yeah, hippie. So this kind of expression will be suitable. So here we will put the interjection hooray, our team has scored the highest. So this shows the happiness. Next sentence is hurry up or you will miss the train. So you are calling someone. When you call someone, when you want someone's attention, there you will say hey. So here hey is the suitable interjection for this sentence. When you are calling someone, when you want someone's attention. Next is that cut must have hurt. So now someone is getting pain or he is getting hurt. So there the suitable interjection will be ouch. This is the expression of pain. So here the sentence will be ouch, that cut must have hurt. Now last exercise is here interjection and sentences both are given, but the interjection are used incorrectly. So you have to put the correct interjection suitable to the sentence. The interjection in these sentences have been used incorrectly. Write the correct interjection in the blank. Now let us see first one. Hooray! I have spilled water on the dining table. So he has done a mistake. When you make a mistake, you won't say hooray because this is the expression of joy. But you will feel sorry when you made a mistake. So you will say oops. So oops will be the correct answer. Next is help. What a beautiful dress. Here you are praising the dress. So when you praise something, when you are pleasantly surprised, you will say wow. So here you are praising that dress, you are admiring that dress, that dress is very beautiful. So you are admiring the beauty of the dress. Here you will say wow, not help. Next is oops, I have won the competition. So when you win the competition, you will feel happy, you will feel joyful. So there you will say yippee, hooray, yes, yeah. This kind of expression shows the happiness. And here it is given oops. So that is the wrong expression. Here the correct interjection will be yippee, I have won the competition. Aha, I can hear someone entering our house. Whenever you see that in the sentence it is talked about sound, silence, noise, or here you can see the he can hear. Here that means he can hear the sound. So there you will say shh. That means he doesn't want any kind of noise because he is paying attention to the sound of footsteps which is coming from the doorstep. So he could hear that someone is coming in their house and he asked everyone to be quiet. So when you want silence, you will say shh, not aha. So aha is the wrong interjection and the correct interjection will be shh. Next is wow, I'm locked inside. So here you are in trouble, and when you are in trouble, you want someone's help. So there you will shout help, not wow. So here the correct interjection will be help, I am locked inside. Next is boo, go away and let me study. When you want someone to go away, when you are feeling irritated, you will say shoo. So that is the expression to show the irritation. But boo is the expression to threaten someone, to scare someone. So boo is the incorrect interjection, and the correct interjection will be shoo, to show the irritation, and you are asking someone to go away. So the sentence will be, shoo, go away and let me study. So in this way, according to the expression of sentence, you have to put the correct interjection. Here interjections are given, but they are incorrect. And now in the blank, you have to put the correct interjection according to the sentence. So here our exercise is completed.